We want to urge our people to stay back, and we want them to stay back. We hope that they will stay back and that they will not be able to come out and listen to those selfish leaders. One of the leaders who's called up our people to come out is James Orengo, the governor of Siaya.
And there is no way we can sit here and fail to advise our people when we are seeing development, which we have been dreaming of for all those years. And again, those people who are bringing development to us, and we start fighting them. You cannot fight and have your cake and eat it at the same time.
This is not our war. And I request and urge our people to stay away from tomorrow's protest. It is so sad what our mothers have gone through, what our sisters and brothers have gone through, losing their kinsmen in wars that our people have fought for the longest time. Now that the government has embraced us and we are working closely with today's government that is under broad-based arrangement, we request our people to be peaceful tomorrow. There's no protest and they should go on with their business of the day.